Dear all, newly updated version of the TgToxic Android Banking Trojan has been observed expanding attack surface. TgToxic Android Banking Trojan has updated and has been observed in the wild, showcasing enhanced evasion techniques and a broader geographical focus. This Trojan, which was initially discovered in July 2022, has primarily targeted mobile users in Southeast Asia, but recent developments indicate an expansion worldwide. Each version of TgToxic demonstrates increased sophistication. The latest updates come in response to public disclosures prompting its operators to adapt and refine their tactics. One of the key modifications includes a transition from hard-coded command and control (C2) infrastructure to a more resilient domain generation algorithm (DGA) system. Recent campaign of malware hosted malicious APK samples on an open directory on a particular domain, although the precise method of delivery remains unclear. The malware masquerades as utility banking apps and tricks users into downloading malicious APKs through phishing and often spreads via platforms such as WhatsApp. Once installed, the app 1. Requests permissions to access personal data like SMS messages. 2. Prompts users to input financial details under the guise of making payments. 3. Sends the stolen data to a command and control (C2) server while displaying a fake payment failure message to maintain the ruse. TgToxic's recent versions demonstrate improved emulator detection capabilities which have designed for evading security environments. The Trojan employs Android system feature checks to detect missing hardware components, CPU architecture fingerprinting to identify emulators, system property analysts to flag virtualized environments such as QEMU and Genymotion. Previous versions of malware relied on hard-coded domains, and second variant of malware stored C2 addresses in encrypted forum posts. However, current variant now leverages a domain generation algorithm which dynamically creates new domains to evade takedowns. This method significantly increases the malware's resilience against takedowns, making it more challenging for security teams to block its infrastructure. Mitigation strategies. Updates SIEM, EDR and other endpoint security software with above-mentioned IOCs. Install apps only from official app stores. Conduct effective cybersecurity awareness training for the organization's employees. Keep antivirus, endpoint security solution up to date.